Hey everyone, AJ here. I'm really excited to kind of show you this product that I've been building. It's called stackFrame, and what it allows you to do is build web apps using a website called Framer. And the best part about it is you don't need any coding knowledge, you don't need to know how to set up any servers, you don't need to set up any servers. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is just drag and drop the features that you want in your web app. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna create a Framer account. It's free, so go ahead and create a Framer account. And then you're gonna wanna head on over to stackFrame's website, which is right here. So we're currently in beta. You're gonna click the join beta option. And when you click the join beta option, I'm already logged in, you're gonna create an account. So as you can see, I've created a test account here, test project, you're gonna click here, create a project. I created a test project here. I'm gonna click this, and then it kinda walks through the project setup. How do you get this going? How do you start using stackFrame, right? Then on the left, you're gonna have your user database and then your user data, okay? And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get to project ID in a second. What we wanna do first, actually, is we're gonna click the start building option. So I'm gonna click the start building option. And it's gonna copy our Framer file onto your Framer account. So you're gonna click confirm. And here's just a bunch of updates of what's new, what we've added, which is great. You're currently in Framer right now. So what we've done is we built essentially a file that has Framer components, and these Framer components have features attached to them. So it allows you to just drag and drop these components into your website, and it brings these features to your website. So before we get started, I just want to add, go back to my dashboard here, and we're going to go to users. Okay, so you can look at this. This is updates, great, but what we're going to really want to work on is, go to is the stackFrame components page, which is right here in the page column on the left. And then, as you can see, we have, a forgot password. We have a lemon squeezy component coming soon, so you can collect payment. We have a CMS password protection, so you can password protect specific CMS pages. And then we get into the really fun features like user authentication. You can drag and drop user authentication, user profiles, create component, right? Create a post, so you can have users create a post. And then you can post, you can show those posts on the newsfeed. Then we have a logout button. You don't have to worry about this. Just don't delete it for now. This is how we get your server set up without you having to do anything. And then we have, show a button that shows when users are logged in and a button that shows when users are logged out. So what I'm going to walk through right now is how easy it is to add user authentication and user profiles into your web app, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new page. We're going to call this auth. Then I'm going to create another new page, and we're going to call this profile, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the auth page, and I'm actually going to head on over to my stackFrame component page here, and I'm going to click on, let me just make sure this, I'm going to click on this component right here. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm just going to paste it right into my page right here. And then we're going to add a layout to this page so we can just have this, in the center. And then when I click on this component, you're going to see the name of the component right here. And then you're going to want to really locate this option right here, project ID, okay? So this project ID is what's going to send the data that is coming from this component to your project dashboard here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this project ID, come back, and we're going to paste it right in here, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click sign up, and when I sign up, I want to navigate to the profile page. So I'm going to do profile, okay? So let me expand this, sign up redirect, head to profile. Then what I want to do is I'm actually going to hide my profile picture, my username, link, and then bio. I just want email password sign up right now. And for now, that should be good, okay? So that's great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my profile page, I'm gonna head on over to my stackFrame component file, and we are gonna head on, we're gonna copy this profile, this stackFrame component profile. Then we're gonna navigate back to the profile page. I'm gonna paste it. We're gonna add a layout to this page as well. I'm gonna make sure it's centered. And this bypass sign-in you will see on a couple of our components. Now what that means is you're turning this option on to style the component to do whatever you want, because this component's not going to show up when a user's not signed in. So you're technically not signed in, so this is what it's going to look like when you're not signed in. So you're going to want to, if you keep this on and you click publish, this component's always going to show up. So if you want it to only show up when a user is signed in, make sure this is clicked to no. I'm going to come in here and paste that project ID right back in here. Paste. And I'm actually gonna, you can add a default profile picture. So I'm gonna upload stackFrame logo here, downloads, I think I have it. I do have it, I know I do. Downloads, here it is. Okay, so if a user doesn't upload a profile picture, we're gonna show the stackFrame logo, and this should show up once I reload the page. There. Okay, so what we're gonna do then is we can also, I just wanna honestly hide username, hide bio, hide link, and we just have the email, and yeah, actually let's go back to this auth and let's actually add back the user profile picture, okay? Okay, so what's gonna happen is we're gonna sign up right here, and then it's gonna navigate us to a profile page, right? So I'm gonna click publish, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this link, and as you can see we have our sign up component. I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna choose the black stackFrame Pro logo, and stackFrame gmail.com. Click sign up. Never. Then we get navigated to our profile page, and as you can see, we have the stackFrame, my email, and my profile picture, and I can even edit my profile. So literally in less than 10 minutes, we've went ahead and added user authentication and user profiles to our Framer website. In the next video, what I'm going to show you is how to now add the ability for users to create a post and show that post on a newsfeed. So stay tuned for the next video, and if you guys want to check out, use stackFrame, it's in public beta right now, so you can just head on over to our website, like I showed you in the beginning of this in this tutorial, and start using stackFrame. If you have any feature suggestions, go ahead and drop them in the comments, but until then, I'll see you in the next video.